Hello, lovely people. It's so good to have you join me again today. After our deep dive into the Gilded Age Season 3, Episode 6 in the last video, my mind has just been buzzing with possibilities for what comes next. And why? Yes, Episode 7 hasn't aired yet. It's the perfect time to put on our detective hats and imagine what cliffhangers might be bracing for, what new alliances or rivalries could emerge. Join me as we chat through our hopes and predictions for what's sure to be another captivating installment when that highly anticipated episode 7 finally arrives. Alright everyone, after the fantastic episode 6, the buzz around the Gilded Age season 3 episode 7 title Excommunicated is absolutely off the charts. This episode is expected to be a massive one, really shaking things up as we head towards the end of the season. Well, episode 7 of the Gilded Age season 3 is set to release on August 3rd, 2025. This episode is going to deep dive into Oscar's feelings. We are expecting to see him struggling with his grief. It's tough because back in the Gilded Age, he could not openly mourn or love like that. So expect Oscar to be putting on a brave face for society. But inside, he will be completely heartbroken. We might even hear a quote like, "It was a tragedy, of course, but the world keeps turning," which hints at his silent pain. Larry is going to be super confused and upset. He might even suspect his formidable mother Bertha had something to do with it. We are expecting some serious emotional talks between Marianne and Larry as he tries to figure out what happened and possibly set the record straight. Will Marianne realize her mistake? That's the big question. Peggy's relationship with Dr. Kirkland is facing some serious bumps. His family, especially his mother, is not too keen on Peggy's modern ideas like women's right on vote. So get ready for some old drama to resurface. It's rumored that Maud Beaton, who tricked Oscar out of a lot of money before, is coming back. She is using a new name, Dolly Trent, but her return could cause a whole new set of problems for Oscar and the entire Van Ryan family, especially when Oscar is already so vulnerable. So that's it for now. Don't miss out on watching this episode on August 3rd. Also, do like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.